Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about different types of functions. Based on different types of functions to solve some more problems. Now we are problem number 25. What is that? If f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, where x is not equal to 2 by 3, then the question show that f composition of f of x is equal to x. Also, what is the inverse of f? To find inverse image of f. Very simple question. Based on composite function. Now here given data, given f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay. Now to prove that f composition f of x is equal to x. Now here f composition f of x is equal to. This is same as f. That notation indicate bracket of f of x. Okay. That is equal to f of x value 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay. Then that is equal to f of, put 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, call it as p, where p is equal to, what is p value? 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, it is the p and formula. It is in the form f of. Since f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, instead of x, here written p. X place variable p है. अगर f of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. What is f of p? Replace x by p. What is that? 4p plus 3 divided by 6p minus 4. Right? That is equal to 6. Substitute the value of p. P value is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 plus 3 divided by 6p. P value 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 minus 4. Okay, p value simplify. Right? Then simplify. In the numerator, take the LCM. LCM is 6x minus 4. Here multiply by 6x minus 4. Here multiply by 1. Okay. Now remove that bracket. 4 4s are 16x. 4 into 3 12. Plus 3 into 6x 18x. Plus into minus. 3 4s are 12. Divided by 6x minus 4. Whole divided by, again in the denominator, LCM is 6x minus 4. Multiply by here 6x minus 4, here multiply by 1. So 6 into 4x, 24x. 6 into 3, 18. Minus 6 into 4x, 24x. Minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16. Divided by 6x minus 4. That 6x minus 4, 6x minus 4, cancel. Okay, then simplify. Plus 12 minus 12 cancel. Plus 24x minus 24x cancel. 16x plus 18x, 34x. Divided by 16 plus 18, 34. 34 cancel. Therefore, f composition f of x is equal to x. First part is over. Right? Second part, what is the inverse of f? It means to find the inverse image of x. Let to find inverse image of x. We don't know that value, you call it as a 1. Or you can simply take L1 alpha. Okay. Now this implies, by definition of invertible function, we can write image of y is equal to x. Remember, this implies since f of x value 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Instead of x, here written y. So that f of y is equal to what? 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4 is equal to x. Then simplify to find the value of y. Cross multiply, that is 6y into x, 6xy minus 4 into x minus 4x is equal to 4y plus 3. Okay, implies 6xy minus 4x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 6xy minus 4y from these two. What is common? Y common. Okay, take y common. 6x minus 4 is equal to remaining two terms goes to right side. Minus 4x goes to right side plus 4x minus 3 goes to right side plus 3. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to divide both sides by 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Therefore, the value of y is inverse image of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Hence, inverse image of x is equal to, I think this is nothing but given data, 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, that is nothing but all f of x. So, inverse image of f of x is equal to f of x. That is 5 mark question, very simple problem. Try observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Here students. Okay. Then another example. Problem number 26. What is that? Consider the function f from the first set 1, 2, 3 to another set a, b, c. Now this is called as set A and that is called as set B. Given by image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. Now here you take a Venn diagram. This is first set, that is second set. F in the first set contains 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. Second set contains 3 elements, A, B, C. Defined by image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. Now the question, find F inverse. Now clearly the given function is 1, 1 and 2. Then the function from B to A, that is known as inverse function. To find F inverse is equal to, how to write? Reverse process. Inverse image of A is 1, right? Inverse image of B is 2. Inverse image of C is, this is F inverse. Also find its inverse, that is F inverse of inverse. Once again interchange, domain and range. Interchange. What happened? 1 comma A, 2 comma B, then 3 comma C. Therefore, inverse image of inverse is equal to, this is nothing but given data. What is that? F, right? Because image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C is nothing but what? F. So F inverse of inverse is equal to F. Here students, this problem number 27, that is C question. That question was asked in CET. If F from R to R defined by F of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3, then F composition F of x is equal to 4 options. Option A, x power 1 by 3. Option B, x power 3. Option C, x. Option D, 3 minus x power 3. That question was asked in previous year, last year. That is C question. Look here. Given data, how to solve? Given f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Then, so find f composition f of x is equal to, how to state it? F of that composition is equal to bracket of f of x. Okay, so that is f of, what is f of x value? 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3, right? That is equal to f of, put that value, complete that value, call it as p, where p is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Okay, that is equal to, since f of x equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Instead of x, here written p. Replace x by p. What is f of p? 3 minus p cube whole power 1 by 3. X place what p? That is equal to 3 minus. Substituting the value of p. The value of p is here. P value 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Only p value to the power of 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 3 minus p. The value of p is 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 whole power 3 then whole power 1 by 3. Okay, let's simplify. That is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 whole power 3 using laws of reduction. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. I think that 3 cancel. That is 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Right? Now remove that bracket. 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus x power 3 whole power 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. That is equal to x cube whole power 1 by 3. Again apply laws of indices. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. 3 cancel. That is x. So that f composition f of x value is x. So option C option. Third option. F composition f of x equal to x. That is C equation. Okay. There is problem number 28. Important sum. 3 mark question. Difficult simple exam. Consider 3 functions. Namely f, g and h. F is a function from n to n and g is a function from n to n and h is a function from n to r. R means real number. N stands for natural number. Defined by image of x. F of x equal to 2x. Image of y. G of y is equal to 3y plus 4. And image of z. H of z is equal to sin z. Using these 3 conditions, where x, y, z are set of natural number. Now the question, show that h composition g composition f is equal to h composition g of composition f. To prove that LHS equal to RHS. Now we are to take LHS. Now what is LHS? H composition g composition f of x by taking x. Okay, is equal to split it. How to split? H, that composition is nothing but bracket g composition f of x. Okay, that is equal to h bracket g composition f of x is nothing but g of f of x. Right? G, that composition is nothing but bracket f of x. That is h of g of, what is f of x? F of x value is given 2x. Okay, that is h of g of, put 2x is equal to p, where p is equal to 2x. It came to 1. Now that is h of, since g of y is equal to 3y plus 4, right? Instead of y, what is g of p? Y plus what p is? G of p is 3b plus 4. Right? That is equal to h of. Now 3b plus 4 call it as q. Where q is equal to 3b plus 4. Is q was formed. Right? Now again, h of z is equal to sin z. Given h of z is equal to sin z. Instead of z, here the term q. What is h of q? H of q is equal to, instead of z, by taking q, that is sin q. That is equal to sin of, what is q? Q value is 3p plus 4. Right? That is equal to sin of 3. P value 2x plus 4. Right? That is equal to sin of 3 into 2x, 6x plus 4. This is LHS. Okay. Similarly, to find RHS. RHS is equal to, what is RHS? H composition G composition F by taking X is equal to, split of the term, H composition G as is of bracket F of X, right? That is equal to H composition G of F of X value 2x, right? That is equal to H, that composition is equal to bracket G of 2x. So that is H of G of, put 2x is equal to P, where P is equal to 2x. That is H of G of y is equal to 3y plus 4 instead of y. We have the term p. What is G of p? G of p value is 3p plus 4. Right? That is H of 3. P value 2x plus 4. That is H of 3 into 2x, 6x plus 4. Right? Now that is H of 6x plus 4, call it as Q, where 2 is equal to 6x plus 4. That is equal to H of z is equal to sin z. H of z value sin z. Instead of z, we have the term q. What is H of q? H of q is equal to sin q. That is equal to sin of q value 6x plus 4. Call it as equation 2. Observe it. Equation 1 sin of 6x plus 4. Equation 2 is also sin of 6x plus 4. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that, we conclude that, it follows that LHS is equal to what? RHS. 3-mark question. LHS is equal to RHS. 28 problems. 3 mark, 27 CET question. Clear students? Next problem number 29. If f is a function from x to y and g be a function from y to z and h be a function from z to s, three functions, then show that h composition of g composition f is equal to h composition g of composition f. Look here, very simple question, that is general question. Now here take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is H composition G composition F by taking X. Okay, simplify. That is equal to H, that composition is what bracket G composition F of X. Okay, that is equal to H bracket G composition F of X is nothing but G of F of X. G of F of X. This is LHS. Similarly, to find RHS, what is RHS? H composition G composition F by taking X is equal to H composition G as it is, that composition of F of X. Right? That is equal to H, again composition is nothing but bracket G of F of X. So, call it as equation 2. Obviously it is true. Observe it, here H of G of F of X, here H of G of F of X. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that, we conclude that, it follows that H composition G composition F is equal to H composition G composition F. Okay, that is 2 marks. Similarly, problem number 30. Same time, if F, G, H be three functions from set of real number to real number, then show that first one F plus G composition H is equal to F composition H plus G composition H. Now here by taking X, take LHS is equal to f plus g as it is. Composition is nothing but bracket h of x. That composition is nothing but bracket. Now remove that bracket. F composition h of x, f of h of x plus g of h of x. F of h of x plus g of h of x. That is equal to, here f of h of x, f of h of x is nothing but f composition h of x. Are they same? F composition h of x is nothing but f of h of x. What about g of h of x is same as g composition h of x. Right? Therefore, now resolve x on both sides. Therefore, f plus g composition h is equal to f composition h plus g composition h. Addition of two functions, three functions. Similarly, product of the function. Second one, prove that f into g composition h is equal to f composition h into g composition h. Now here f into g composition h of by taking x is equal to, simplify f into g as it is. Composition is nothing but bracket h of x. Right? Now remove that bracket. F into h of x, first function f into h of x, okay, into g into h of x, f into h of x into g into h of x. But f of h of x, f of h of x, f of h of x is nothing but what? F composition h of x into g of h of x is nothing but g composition h of x. Right? Therefore, resolve x on both sides. F into g composition h is equal to f composition h into g composition h. This is product of the function. First one is addition of the function. Clear, students? Now here prove that f plus g composition h is equal to split up factor f composition h plus g composition h. Whereas f into g composition h is equal to f composition h into g composition h. Okay. Similarly, one more problem, that is f is a function from a to b and g be a function from b to c. F be a function from, now here problem number 31. If f be a function from a to b and g be a function from b to c are one function, then prove that f composition g from a to c is also one function. That is important sum. 2 mark question. If f is a function from a to b is 1, g be a function from b to c is also 1, then prove that its composite function from a to c is also 1 function. Okay, now you know the definition of 1. A function f from a to b is said to be 1 if image of x1 is equal to image of x2. That is f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Or different elements of a set will have different images. Now here given data, what is to be given? F from a to b is 1 function is a, and g from b to c is also 1 that is given. Now the question to prove that its composite function f composition g is also 1. How can we definition of 1? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Instead of f, here by taking this one. Now to prove that f composition g from a to c is 1. So definition of 1 is देखो f of x1 f ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ f composition g of x1 is equal to f composition g of x2. Okay, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೀವು ಬಿಗ್ F ಅಂತ prove that capital F is 1 1. It means definition of 1 1 to prove that capital F of x1 is equal to capital F of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ okay solve it. This implies f composition g of x1 is same as g of f of x1 right is equal to g of f of x2 okay right. This implies g of f of x1 put f of x1 call it as capital X1 put f of x2 call it as capital X2. Now it is in the form g of x1 is equal to g of x2. This capital X1 tone g of x1 is equal to g of x2 where capital X1 is f of x1 capital X2 is f of x2 right. So g of x1 is equal to g of x2 right? This implies capital X1 is equal to capital X2. Very well. Why? Because g function from b to c is 1 1 ನೋಡಿ f11 ಇದೆ g ನು 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ g 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 1 image of x1 g of x1 is equal to g of x2 implies capital X1 is equal to x2 right. But the value of capital X1 is capital X1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು f of x1 is equal to capital X2 is f of x2. This capital X1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ this is capital X2 g of capital X1 is equal to g of capital X2 implies capital X1 is equal to capital X2 why because g is 1 1 function but the value of capital X1 is f of x1 is equal to capital X2 value f of x2. This implies f of x1 equal to f of x2 then we can write directly therefore x1 is equal to x2 why f is a function from a to b is also 1 1 since f is 1 1 by definition of 1 1 x1 is equal to x2 f of x1 is f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So take f comma g of x1 equal to f comma g of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2 right. Therefore f composition g from a to c is also 1 1 function also 1 1. Here students most important 2 mark question that question was asked in previous year okay clean ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ f is 1 1 g is also 1 ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ types of function concept perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Similarly same type similar question there is problem number 32. If f is a function from a to b f is a function from a to b and g be a function from b to c is onto function f is onto g is onto then prove that f composition g from a to c is also onto function 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ onto ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Oh how to solve you know the definition of onto function definition of onto codomain is equal to range mathematically f of x equal to y okay. Now here given f from a to b is onto function therefore by definition of onto function codomain f of x equal to y. A is the set consisting of x element b is set consisting of y element. Now here three sets a b a set containing one element b set containing one element c set containing one element namely x y z. Image of x is 1 this is f image of y is z okay. Now here image of x is 1 that is y is equal to f of x. Image of y is z is equal to g of y. Now since f is onto function by definition of onto f of x equal to 1 and G be a function from B to C is onto, that is given. By definition of onto function, G function from B to C. By definition of onto function, G of y is equal to what? Z. Now to prove that if we want to F composition G from A to C is also onto. That is same as, that is to prove that F composition G capital F. To prove that capital F from A to C is onto. Function from A to C, not B, A to C is onto. Now definition of onto everything. Now F composition G given by capital F. Now to prove that function from A to C is also onto means by definition of onto, capital F of x is equal to what? Z. So that is same as to prove that F composition G of x is equal to Z. Function from A to C, not B. Function from A to C. A set contain one element x, C set contain one element Z. To prove that F from A to C is onto, by definition of onto, capital F of x equal to Z. To prove that F composition G of x is equal to Z. Okay. Now, take left hand side LHS. F component G of x is equal to G, definition of composition function, bracket F of x, right? That is G of, what is F of x? F of x very 1, because F is onto function, definition of onto, F of x equal to 1, right? That is equal to G of 1. What is G of 1? Z. Why? Because G is also 1. Therefore, F component G of x is equal to Z. Therefore, F composition G of x is equal to Z. Hence, F composition G from A to C is also onto function. Out of 2, they will ask anyone. This is also 2 mark question. They will ask either 1 1 or onto. No, right? Composite function 1 1 is okay, as well as onto function. Clear, students? Okay. Last problem in the relation and function. Now the question number 33. Show that the function f from r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5 is defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 and g be a function from r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5. What it means? R means what? Set of all real number except 3 by 5. Don't take 3 upon 5. 3 by 5 throw badly. 3 by 5 throw between our memories. Put x value 3 by 5. 5 into 3 by 5. 5 cancel. 3 minus 3. 0. A number was 0. Not defined. Function is not defined. That's why r minus 3 by 5 it means set of all real numbers except 3 by 5. To r minus 7 by 5. 7 by 5. R minus 7 by 5 means set of all real numbers except 7 by 5. Okay. Now here g is a function from r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5 defined by g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Then show that g composition f is equal to I into a, IA, and f composition g is equal to IB, where a is the set consisting of r minus 7 by 5, b is the set consisting of set of real number except 3 by 5, where IA of x is equal to x for all x belongs to set A, IB of x is equal to x for all x belongs to set B. That A and B sets this relation are called identity function. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I of x equal to x, IB of x equal to x, where I is f, that is G composition f, IB is f composition G. To prove that f composition G is equal to G composition f, both are equal. That is known as identity function on the set A and B respectively. That is very important sum. 3 mark question in your question paper. Part C question. ಪಾರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ that f composition G is equal to G composition. Look here. Now here consider. Now take left hand side value. What is that? G composition f by taking x is equal to, simplify. This is nothing but definition of composition. F composition is nothing but bracket G of x. Right? That is f of G of x value that is given. G of x is 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Right? That is equal to f of, put 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3, call it as p, where p is equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Right? That is equal to, since f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7, instead of x, here enter p. What is f of p? Replace x by p. 3p plus 4 divided by 5p minus 7. p ಇದ್ದರೆ x then p substitute. Now substitute the value of p. 3. p value 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 plus 4 whole divided by 5p. p value 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 minus 7. Then further simplify. In the numerator take the LCM. LCM is here 5x minus 3. Here multiply by 5x minus 3. Okay. 3 into 7x. How much? 21x. 3 into 4. 12 plus 4 into 5x. 20x. 4 into minus 3. Minus 12. Divided by 5x minus 3. Whole divided by, again in the denominator LCM is 5x minus 3. Here multiply by 5x minus 3. Here multiply by 1. 5 into 7x, 35x. Okay. 5 into 4 plus 20 plus minus 7 into 5x minus 35x minus into minus plus 7 is 21 divided by 5x minus 3. Both the terms get cancelled. Further simplify. 21x plus 20x. Now here plus 12 minus 12 cancel. 41x. 35x minus 35x cancel. 20 plus 21. 41. 41 cancel. That is x. That is x. X is nothing but what? That x is nothing but x belongs to. That is x is same as RA of x for all x belongs to set A. Right? Similarly, to find f composition, also f composition G of x is equal to G of f of x. That is G of, what is f of x? F of x value 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. Okay. That is G of, again that value call it as p. It is p into the word where p is equal to 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. Okay. Now that is equal to, since G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Instead of yes, here under p. What is G of p? Replace x by p. 7p plus 4 divided by 5p minus 3. Right? Substitute the value of p. What is p value? 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 plus 4 whole divided by 5p. p value 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 minus. Then simplify. In the numerator take the LCM. LCM is here 5x minus 7. 7 into 3x 21x. 7 4 are 28 plus 4 into 5x 20x plus into minus 4 7 are 28 divided by, again in the denominator LCM is 5x minus 7 multiply by 5x minus 7. 5 into 3x 15x. 5 4 are 20 minus 3 into 5x 15x minus into minus plus, 3 7 21, divided by 5x minus 7, both the term get cancel. Further simplify, here plus 28 minus 28 cancel, 21x plus 20x, 41x, here minus 50x plus 50x cancel, 20 plus 21, 41, 41 cancel, that is x is nothing but IB of x, right? For all x belongs to set P. So F composition G is x, G composition F is also x, both are equal, therefore both the functions are identity function. Therefore F composition G is equal to G composition F. 3 mark question. There students, simple idea based on composition function. Okay, so this completes the different types of functions. Now one more result in this topic, that is known as binary operation. Okay, now next class we will discuss about last result in this topic, that is binary operation. Okay students, thank you.